Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. This is how to fix a corrupted external hard drive without data loss. So guys, first thing that you will do is simply go to the start menu on the bottom left. And now from here, just simply search for CMD and just simply go for the command prompt. Now from here, just simply go for run as administrator. And after that, a pop-up window will show up and just simply select yes. Now, here, just simply type in your keyboard CHK DSK space. And now, just simply go to your file explorer and just simply check the letter of the drive that you want to check up. So let's say my C drive is corrupted and just simply type in C double colon space forward slash F and just simply enter. From here, just simply type in your keyboard Y and enter. And after that, just simply go ahead and go to the start menu and just simply go to the power and just simply restart your computer or PC and it will automatically fix the issue. There you go. I hope this video helped you understand more. Thanks for watching.